Welcome back to Weekend Now. It's time for your tropical update. I'm hurricane specialist Dr. Greg Postel with the latest on the tropics. We have a system in the Gulf of Mexico we got to take a look at. Invest 92L, it's called. That means the National Hurricane Center is investigating it for possible development. It's this area that's encircled here by this red circle, and you don't see a lot of thunderstorms actually inside of this circle right in there. That's where the area of low pressure is, and there's some gently swirling winds flowing counterclockwise fashion around that area. But again, I want to point out that most of the thunderstorm activity you see is stretched out well to the north across the Gulf of Mexico and even moving over parts of the southern United States. So it's kind of a disorganized system right now. The pressures are not that low, 1,010 millibars. That's not far from the average pressures you see on your home barometers on a daily basis. So the National Hurricane Center has given it a 50-50 shot of developing into a named storm or depression before it makes landfall, likely early in the week, somewhere along the southern Texas coast or northern Mexican coast, and we'll have a look at that in just a second. I want to point out to you, it's really kind of a tale of two systems we're dealing with. One, look, if you look through our exclusive wind stream graphic, which shows the winds at low levels, you can see that broad counterclockwise swirl down here. That's really where the center of 92L. All this other stuff, all this thunderstorm activity is kind of sort of distantly related to it. They haven't yet morphed together, and I'm not sure they will. I think what we'll see is this low pressure move that way, and those thunderstorms basically continue to move that way. So we've got a disorganized system that will probably remain that way. Let's look at the forecast models over the next couple of days and show you where that low pressure system is going. Most of them having it come into northern Mexico late Monday or early Tuesday. This low pressure will likely bring with it maybe some gusty winds and some thunderstorms. Also, there's a chance that it moves into southern Texas. Just stay tuned to the Weather Channel. We will keep a close eye on the progress of 92L. But all in all, I do think the worst weather is going to be well to the northeast of it, associated with a plume of moisture that's going to be drawn northward by a dip in the jet stream. This is going to be all weekend long. This dip in the jet stream is going to continue to draw moisture northward and a lot of rain into parts of Florida, Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, the Carolinas as well. And I do want to point out that other stories as well across the tropics. We also have a tropical storm out here, well out in the Atlantic. This is an unorganized system as well. It's a 40-mile-per-hour system. Tropical storm Aaron, there it is. Very few thunderstorms associated with it. You'll see basically no bright colors there. And as it moves west-northwestward over the next couple of days, it is going to disintegrate over the open ocean of the Atlantic. That is good news. No threat to the U.S. Guys, back to you.